Hello, my name is Cole Chisholm, and today I will be going over how to add and subtract polynomials. So for today's video, we have two adding polynomials and two subtracting polynomials. So in our first question here, it wants us to add 5p squared minus 3 plus 2p squared minus 3p. So in this scenario, what we're going to do is obviously add these, but we're going to get rid of the parentheses. So we have 5p squared minus 3 plus 2p squared minus 3p cubed. So we can't just add and subtract all of these as they are. Well, we can, except we have to add and subtract only the like terms. A like term is where 5p squared and 2p squared are like terms because the coefficients are both connected to the variable that is squared. And this negative 3 does not have any variable. So it doesn't have a like term, and neither does negative 3p cubed. And you usually want to put the exponents at the highest power first. So this negative 3p cubed does not change. And then 5p squared plus 2p squared is 7p squared. So we have 7p squared. When adding, you always keep the exponent the same. And then now we just throw in that negative 3. And this is the final and correct answer. Now we have two more questions here. I'm going to zoom in on this one. So for this one, we have 4 plus 2n cubed plus 5n cubed plus 2. So this one only has two sets of like terms, that being the n cubed terms and the no variable terms. So we're just gonna get rid of the parentheses. So now that we have this, we can add the 2n cubed and the 5n cubed, leaving us with 7n cubed and then the 4 and the 2. So the final answer is 7n cubed plus 6. This is the final and correct answer. We have one final one, which is negative, or which is subtraction. So in this case, you don't just drop everything down. I will show you what is incorrect. You can't just get rid of the parentheses because you are subtracting negative 5r cubed from the 4r cubed. So you're subtracting a negative. So this is actually incorrect. This is not what you do. In this, what I did incorrectly was I just dragged everything down as if it were addition. But first, this is equivalent to a negative 1. So you're going to have to distribute that. Distribute that throughout the equation. So what is correct is we have 4r cubed plus 3r to the 4th minus r to the 4th, and because a negative times a negative is a positive, it becomes plus 5r cubed. So 4r cubed, or so there's no like term for the 3r to the 4th, so we have 3r to the 4th. 4r cubed plus 5r cubed equals positive 9r cubed. And then I made an error. So this is actually an r to the 4th. I just made the 4 a little too large. It's r to the 4th. Sorry. So this is actually 3r to the 4th minus r to the 4th. So this is minus 1r to the 4th. So this turns into 2r to the 4th plus 9r cubed. This is the correct and final answer to this. So I hope you understand how to add and subtract polynomials. Once again, my name is Cole Chisholm. I am in Ms. Knight's summer school method class, Algebra 2A, and this is my assignment for module number 6. Thank you so much and have a great day.